Hey, for the past year, I've been using this flimsy indoor antenna. I've been struggling finding channels, reception cuts in and out, so I got sick and tired of it. So I spent a little bit more money and picked up this outdoor mounted antenna. Now you can mount this to your roof, put it in your attic. I'm gonna try and mount it to the side of my house and we'll see how that goes. We'll take a little look at the antenna here. There's a little bit of assembly required, but this isn't that heavy. And I think this is a lot more heavy duty and sturdy than that cheap indoor antenna. So let's set it up. Okay, so we mounted the antenna here. I had a block of wood already on the outside for some lights we have outside here. So I used an old cable coax line because you're gonna need that to go in your house. Fortunately, I already had one set up. And this mount, you can adjust it up and down and side to side. So I kind of have it angled right now to get the best reception. So we're gonna go inside and see how it works on the TV. So we got it mounted outside and we plugged the coax cable into the antenna slot on the back of the TV. And honestly, I am like mind blown that I have channels again over the air. This crappy indoor antenna, we'd maybe get 5 and then we'd have to maneuver this to the window and move it around every time we wanted to watch something. We're getting all the channels that we want now. We got like 40 channels now. I didn't even know that was possible. But everything is coming in perfectly clear. The information comes through perfectly on the TV. I mean, overall, for how simple this antenna was to set up, I'm really pleased with the results.